Hey everybody, my name is Greg. I'm with Priority Electric. You know, this year we started a YouTube channel. We've grown it to almost 13,000 subscribers. We appreciate all the love and support we've gotten through these. Filming these videos has been awkward at times and fun at times, so what we've done is we've taken a lot of our clips and put 15 together of our just most insane, dumb stuff that we do that you get to see behind the scenes of for you to enjoy to finish your year out. We appreciate all the love and support, so like, share, and subscribe it.
God, fudging money. Something around it there ain't working.
There it was.
It might be a bad word.
Gosh. You mean tell me we've been troubleshooting? Every switch has been changed. We wouldn't listen to that Mad Meyer out there.
That's the first time it's done that.
That means she did the pipe.
I mean, you heard it right on the top. Let's do it again. I'm prepared to stop.
Get that pressure.
Flip. Flip.
I ain't got nothing to flip it with. I'm popped. Blue sparks flew out of this one.
Did it really?
Yeah.
What is going on?
I don't know.
Now what?
Fix it.
Turn Jay, flipper Jay.
I don't want to turn this one again.
Your turn. That's it. Here it is. This is it.
It cleared whatever it was.
No, it ain't.
Your turn, Greg. Get it.
Your turn, Jake.
I thought that was first.
What an unfortunate time. Your turn.
Flip yours now. Make sure it crosses and passes.
Here, I'm about to die now because this is where it did it last time. What the F?
It's yours. It's obviously on me.
Make that make sense. John's gonna come turn this switch on. It's gonna do that to the piss out of you.
Whatever you did, it cleared it.
It cleared it.
Oh yeah.
And then whatever he did, it cleared it. I can't tell from all the freaking lacquer in here. I can't smell it if it was burning. Sometimes you just fumble around and fix things.
I've never heard a pipe vibrate.
Oh no, I did. We did that.
Flip. No. I'm saying it and then it ended up working.
What's up, dog? You think either one of them's 50 foot? 4. Down there, I gotta get it through flex, bro. 50 foot? Yeah, it's a long run. From one side of the deck all the way to the freaking other.
I don't know which one you at.
Huh?
We're not which one you at.
Doing what? Our poppies. One that pays.
Poppy time?
One that pays the sale. Kind of looks like crab, but.
How many fans are down here?
33.
Two of them though ain't like regular ceiling fans. They look like fan fans in a cage. I ain't never seen them.
I bet we never used.
Can you get out?
Yeah.
Okay.
So apparently the main floor is what we're focused on. He said it was going to cost $150,000 to come from this parking lot to here with the main water supply, 6 inch.
Jeremy said
We didn't
that.
see the material, but then I went upstairs and looked at the screwdriver.
Oh, that was for material.
Jake, your screwdriver still up there?
That ain't my daggone screwdriver. That daggone climb screwdriver bent around. I pried on something. My daggone thumb went in the pipe and just rolled my nail backwards.
I said, you alright? No.
I walked back downstairs.
Emmett looking rough. He did look a little picky. I mean, I didn't know he didn't feel good until he just texted. I had no idea. He called while we was up there. I was on the side of the mountain. I barely could hear anything y'all was
Look at
saying.
this spider web. Like he's like backed into or something and stuck to it. That's sick.
Is it? No, we is that our Halloween decoration?
Yeah. Hey,
We got him something good to eat, guys.
green house up there.
Biscuit store.
You know, the house is green and have black trim, light blue front door.
What?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, it was gonna be orange,
Yeah, well, it's gonna be orange.
but she didn't want to look too Halloweeny with all that green stuff, you know.
So Tar Heel Blue is better?
Light blue.
Well, I was telling him about tackles being all blue. Same
Oh,
color.
yeah,
Same color that F-150.
That house. Yeah.
So,
It was like that color right there. The whole thing.
No. gotta pay for this voice, buddy. This ain't free.
I've got it out. I've got it's 30 amp. I've got them at the shop.
Okay.
That thing I told you was a combo disconnect the other day.
Okay. Yeah.
What do you? No, you let me have it. You let me have it. Let me have it. Let me have it. Let me have it. There you go. You're gonna break it. Let it go. Just let it go. When I first started doing this, I came here and quoted redoing this entire kitchen, and I was new at quote, man. Like I hadn't been doing it long, dude, and it like quoted it way too high. Way too stinking high, bro. It's like, yeah. Obviously didn't get that job. And whoever else was quoting it didn't either, because the kitchen's the exact same as it was 5 years ago. So, hell yes. That felt good. Workman's comp. Nobody makes me bleed my own blood. I love us standing around watching them work with our manly drinks in our hand.
Oh yeah.
Why don't we do
It
this
was
more
really
often?
funny. Just the back focus over there. As soon as he connected the two blacks, like touched them together with contact, we popped. Just scared.
This thing us.
It's pretty good. Hey, I need to get pictures of those lights working. Did those lights ever cut back off?
I don't see him anymore.
The canopy lights. Sure. They weren't off when I walked back through there. I didn't know. What? No. Somebody else can take you anything.
Picture like the dim one, like just find out what you need to do.
No, that's on them. They just didn't make sure they're working. Huh? My job here is to make sure it's working. It's recording.
What a freaking camera guy we have here. Dabush, I need your thoughts.
You already had my thoughts.
It wasn't recording.
Oh, it's messed up bad.
Messed up bad.
Bad work.
Bad work. Bad electrician previously.
No good. No good.
Daddy Electric's here to fix it.
Oh, that's a sick shot.
Yeah, to go up.
Oh yeah. Boss man, how we feeling today?
Hot. Tape it and put it back on.
Live action, folks.
Take back here. Please tell me you took it off here. Yeah.
I do. I pissed the boss man off.
Let's just see if it works. Get it on there and let's just. What's this rainbow lanyard in there? Is this one on your pocket?
That's a G string at the once.
Oh.
Dude, I'm filming. Okay.
Get the camera.
Get the cameras out of here. Excuse me, let me get I need to get a good shot of Davis here.
Turn it on, you can get a real good shot.
Clear this way, please.
What do you think?
Clear this way.
Oh.
Oh yeah. I can get good at this.
Hey, you can get a.
I'd like to have a couple of these machines, you know?
Yeah, it'd be nice.
What would I do with them? But I'd like to have them.
I'd move angles over.
Pick it up, Larry.
I need more room. Y'all need to go.
Yeah, you're done, buddy. Golly, bud. I feel like king of the castle, king of the castle.
I thought about going to buy a menu tractor. Then you see the price of the other one.
You got the money.
Yeah, right.
Pull this slide back. Oh, that's solid. It's got AC in it. Oh, yes. I'm gonna get me one of these. Where do I get a job to fund one of these? Maybe I just need to call John Seaman and see if he can give us some cash. Dude, give me one of these rigs.
I don't even know how to use it, but I'll figure it out.
I can run backhoe set, and I can't run trackhoe set.
I don't know what that even means. Like, I'm just in. This is a Mini X, right?
Yeah, but most of them have switches on their seat. You can flip from backhoe to.
Sure, I'll have to look.
So we're doing all this Wednesday.
I mean, yeah, unless you think feel confident in building it without Adam. I have faith in you.
Oh, I don't know. Does heights matter? Or if heights don't matter, I'll probably do it.
That's fine. Just,
Just running all the
you start
wires.
tomorrow.
I
He'll help you do the wires
Yeah.
and the player select stuff. If you can get it built tomorrow, then when we get here, we probably won't put this panel on this side in just yet because we want to be able to have all that for pulling space. You know what I'm saying? Let it come right in the back of there, sit on there, and it'll come right and hit them player slug. And then your connector will come over to your transfer switch, feed power from it, and then it'll come out of that into your meter base and there. And then literally it'll mirror to the other side. You'll have a transfer switch and a panel.
I'm good. It's just too windy. I got someone coming right now. Just don't come near the line. Yeah, we're good.
Need me to come fix it?
Can you?
Yeah, can you send me a picture of it so I know what to pick up on my way?
Yeah, I'll get a couple photos and get it to you. I'm still up in the tree right now.
All right.
All right. I'll send you the address.
All right, sounds good.
All right, see you.
We are somewhere in Linville. Had a tree fall on a power on a service wire coming in. Buddy called up, so John called up. They were dropping this tree back over here, and it landed, so we had to replace the weatherhead and repair the service. You can see the wires dropped over here. Normally we wouldn't send four people to do a job like this, but sometimes, you know, the emergency calls for it, so here we are.
You got a weatherhead for that, didn't you? Or
We already have it.
the hub.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I got the hub.
Don't you worry about it, Jake.
All right, bud. If not, I was going to jump up here and get one, see if it'd fit.
I could probably get it rebuilt in about, well, they'll ask for the inspection. They're going to wait on the inspection. I'd ask them if they're going to need one. If they need one, then that's what they're going to wait on, right? So they just okay. All right. Well,
I'll call Watauga first, then I'll call Bridge. If they don't need it, I'll just cancel Watauga.
okay. All right, cool deal. I'll go grab one and we'll be back.
Tell my kids I love them.
Sure, maybe you cut it. You don't let it sag. I think there's only one diameter spot on my pliers. Go quick.
Sure Josh can see my heart beating in my chest right now.
This brings back too many bad days.
Oh, today's a good day.
Water's dumping right into it right there.
Look at picture, but I couldn't get on the backside of it with all the mud.
You believe that's not in the ground at all?
Did you get it?
Did you get it?
It's recording. So, I mean,
Is it in the ground?
I mean, who puts that there like it's in the ground? Not like that.
Same person set this unit up here. It was on solid ground.
Thank God you were there.
yeah,
How do you cook?
it's still fun.
Huh?
A big chunk of it just fell into the
I mean,
water.
look.
That's what these houses are built on.
Give the viewers what they want, Josh, to get side of me.
I got you a good video yesterday, Josh. It better be in a video.
You get it?
I'm still getting it.
Now hurry up, I'm gonna stop. Yeah. If not a reel, that's a pretty solid intro. You get it? I'm still getting it.
All right. See it? Yep. Let me call Papa.
Problem.
Well, I opened the panel door, and the first thing I noticed is the grounds and neutrals are laid on the neutral or the ground busted together, right? Is it bonded? So I'm looking for the bonded screw, and I'm like, man, I don't see that green screw. Turns out it's white because it's been sitting here arcing. The 10 laying here right by this panel. Go ahead though, sorry.
Thank the Lord.
No kidding.
Did you go to church yesterday?
No, I didn't.
And look at God looking out for you, even though you forsake Him and didn't go to church. Just tell Him the service costs about $1,800.
Nothing about here.
I'm just kidding. They ain't gonna charge me anything because it's probably our fault.
The most I could do was 1 inch. Anything above 1 inch, I couldn't touch the ground.
Oh, the mule? Yeah.
Dude, if you held on to that thing, it would flip you over.
It would, if you held on that button, it would run you.
It's taking you with
Yeah.
The funniest thing I ever seen, you know the big threader Scott had? The
Yeah.
thing that sat on the ground with wheels. The
no.
gray thing. Oh, the
Yeah.
threader.
Well, that's it.
I
They
think I know
had the
what you're
threader, the cutter, and the reamer all in one. Well, they put a piece on it, Robbie, and then put a piece on it with a 90 on it. And Matt was there, poor Matt was there working it. That 90 came around and picked Robbie up by the nuts. I had him up in the air.
I can't say I wish it wouldn't have happened to anybody else.
Not a lot story.